How to add a resume to LinkedIn. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your resume to LinkedIn so recruiters and hiring managers can easily access it right away. First, open LinkedIn on your phone or computer and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture. Scroll down to the Featured section. If you don't see it, tap Add Section, select Featured, and click on the plus icon. Then click Add a Document. From there, select your resume file, then tap Open. Make sure it's saved as a PDF so the formatting stays clean and professional. Now, write the title of your resume and add a description as well. Once you are done, click Save. After it's uploaded, it will appear on your profile as a featured item that anyone visiting your page can view and download. And that's it. Adding your resume to LinkedIn takes just a few minutes, and make sure you're always ready to apply the moment the right opportunity comes up.